This is the Quantum Edge 2.0 by Pride Mobility. This unit here is currently set up for a smaller person, but this does have a 300-pound weight capacity. So if this is a particular unit you want, just remember we can make this fit to anybody up to 6'5", 300 pounds. So, but it is set up small right now. So currently what makes this unit great, this is a mid-wheel drive chair. Mid-wheel drive chair means your main drive wheel is directly in the middle of the person when you have this front and rear swivel wheels. So you have 6 wheels on the ground at all times for stability. But mid-wheel drive is also going to turn in the smallest amount of space inside your home. Now this unit is still 44, 45 inches in overall length, but it turns on pretty much its own length. So if you have that 4-foot area, diameter circle, you can pretty much turn inside that circle. So this particular unit has 1 mile of total drive distance on it, and it has electric tilt, electric recline, and electric legs. So I'm going to go through those functions with you now so that you can see what those things are. So you're going to go on the joystick. You're going to push the joystick knob forward until you get a picture of the seat. And then once you have a picture of the seat, you're going to push the joystick backwards when you ever have whatever function highlighted you want. So this is going to be the back and the bottom highlighted at the same time. This is going to be your electric tilt. So electric tilt is the most medically necessary feature on a power chair. What electric tilt does is taking the pressure off your lower half and applying it to your back with gravity, and it's allowing blood flow to increase throughout your legs. So with increased blood flow, it's going to help prevent pressure sores. So that's the main function for this chair. Some people do like to just sit back because they can kind of reposition themselves in the unit, but the tilt is mainly used for getting the pressure off your lower half and applying it to your back. While you're in the tilt position, I'm going to go ahead and show you the electric legs. So your electric legs do raise up electrically as well, and they can go up and you will get your feet above your heart. So some people also need that to get their feet above their heart, and so you can do that in these types of chairs. Just remember on your joystick you do have a picture, a little red X on here when you're tilted too far back or you're reclined too far back. That means you're not in a safe driving position. So if that is a red X, make sure you get to the upright, normal seated position. You'll see the circle turn green, and you'll begin to drive the chair. So right now, you can actually do 2 functions at one time too. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring the legs in, and excuse me, I was doing recline and tilt, but let me just tilt it back. You can do recline and legs at the same time, not tilt and legs. So let me bring the tilt back forward, and then I'm going to recline back, and I'm going to show you how you can pretty much lay flat like on a bed. Once again, this unit goes about 6 miles an hour overall top end speed. It does have a 300-pound weight capacity. We do fit these chairs to the person's size when they buy one. So if this particular size does not fit you, but you do want this chair, don't worry, we can get this chair fitted to your size. We'll send you out a measuring chart ahead of time, and then when it arrives, it should be pretty much ready to go. So right now I'm going to show you the recline and the legs at the same time. You see the legs are going up and the back is going back. So you can pretty much lay flat in this chair to sleep in this unit. This unit, on this particular unit, does come with short armrests. I think normal armrests are more about 14 inches in length. I'll measure that in a second here when I have a free hand, but I want to say it's probably about 9 inches in length there. So these are the shorter armrests. Obviously this was a shorter person. This is actually a 10-inch armrest here. So this is what you're going to be looking like if you're in the full lay flat position here. And now I'm going to bring it back upright. Like I said, there is a red X currently on the screen. And then I'm going to bring it back up till I get that green circle, and then be in a normal seated position and a safe driving position. These units here take 55 amp batteries, get about 15 miles on a full charge. Some people do use this for their means of transportation. So just remember it's up to 15 miles on a full charge depending on the user's weight and the terrain that they're driving in. But they are solid tires all the way around on this unit. You do have built-in transit tie-down points. You have 2 on each side. So whether you're tying it on the back of a lift on a vehicle, or you have public transport, or you have transit van that you want to strap it down, this is built into the frame. You are not going anywhere. You have a motor on each side. With the neutral lever, it says N and then it says D. So D is your drive, N is your neutral. You always need to be in the drive, which is a locked position. What that's doing, that's engaging your electromagnetic brake. So when you go and you let go of the throttle, the unit will stop automatically within a foot or 2. That's your electromagnetic brake. You'll also hear it when you press the joystick. You'll hear it click. That's your brake releasing. Let go of the joystick, you'll hear it click again. That's your brake re-engaging. If you ever need to put it in neutral, you push it down. That disengages the motor, and you can push the chair around. Now remember, this chair is 365 to 375 pounds, so it's not a light chair, but you can push this unit around. This unit does have a headrest that's fully adjustable. On the other side over here, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 5 Allen screws that you can loose, and you can adjust the height, the depth, the angle, the pitch, everything on this unit here. Like I said, this unit is customizable, so you can adjust the size on this unit. We are going to turn this unit forward and just kind of show you where we're currently set up at. So this unit right now is currently set up at a 16-inch wide seat by 17 inches deep. So obviously this person was not very big, but we can make this unit bigger. So it does have removable cushion. You can put whatever cushion you want on there. It just sits on with Velcro, and same with the backrest. Armrests are expandable in and out. The height of it, this unit has a Swingaway joystick. Joystick swings to the side of the unit. Now this joystick can be put on the right or the left-hand side. So if you are right-handed, like most people out there, we can put this on the right side as well. What the Swingaway joystick is helpful for, it helps you pull up closer to a table, or it also helps you not have any obstruction on the end of the arm when you want to push on it to get in and out of the unit. This unit comes with lateral knee pads. What that does is it keeps your knees from flailing out. So when your knees flail out, typically your foot's going to roll over and fall off the foot plate. By having your knees in and not flailing out, it's going to help you keep your feet on the foot plate. So once again, this is the Quantum Edge 2.0 by Pride Mobility. Has 1 mile, has electric tilt, electric recline, and electric legs. And then here in a second, you'll see us drive this unit outside. This is a Quantum Edge 2.0 by Pride Mobility. I'm a 6 foot tall, 220-pound individual, so you can see that I'm a little bit large for this current seat configuration. But like I mentioned earlier, everything is customizable. We can expand the width of the seat, the depth of the seat, and really make this fit you. This unit takes about, I don't know, 45, 46 inches to turn around in a circle. So you can see it is mid-wheel drive. So this is primarily for inside. I'm going to go ahead and drive it here in the grass just for a minute, just to kind of show you that it can go in this terrain, but it is pretty much used for hard top surfaces. But we're here in Florida. This is some thick Bahia grass that we have down here. I mean, this unit has no problem, plenty of power. As long as you're on a hard top surface, I wouldn't recommend using it in this type of terrain all the time, all day, but you can use it in these different types of terrains. So once again, this is the mid-wheel drive chair, Quantum Edge 2.0 with electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, has 1 mile of usage. If you have any questions, give us a call.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.